Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the prism function, meaning that you can adjust the size of the focus area on your pictures. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon to take a picture with your phone, or to the library button to select a photo. Click on the tools section down below, which is the third option. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the prism section. Here you should adjust the size of this triangle, and then you should drag it to adjust to the focus area. And here, if you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see how it looks like, how the background changes. So you should select the focus area, position this circle to that point, and then use the prism effect by adjusting on the scale. And then if you are done with it, click on the check mark icon to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.